My ball caddy for the weekend.
No, he's getting his own balls. You ought to be toting my shit.
Oh, you think?
Just because I'm a senior, I'm your elder.
Oh, that's true, that's true. Respect your elders. Hi everybody, it's vlog weekend, you know what I'm saying? We're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're bowling the SASBA 50 over under doubles. The last time that I bowled this event, I won it with my partner Scott Greiner by a large margin. So I figured I'd have to come back, but you can't bowl with defending champs. I have a new horse in Tony Yarbrough. We bowl a lot of events together, super good bowler. One of my mentors, just a good person. So let's see if we can throw some strikes today, and I'm gonna ride this old man's back.
Look at this bunch. Tony Yarbrough, Keven Williams.
50.
The camera is on you. 400, looking for 5.
We had a number going into this, and we knew we were going over the number.
They knew they were going over their number. 50 going twice. 700 looking for 750.
It's because superstars like Tony
700 going once.
be making our worth go
700
up.
going twice. Sold 700 to Rodney Z.
So I bought the guys that bought us. I wonder if I can wager us just getting each other. You think I can
I got
do that?
150.
If he didn't have a shark title, we wouldn't have gone for so
Two
much.
looking for 250.
It's not true. You're too good. That's not true.
Get that show pony.
That's me, guys. I'm the show pony apparently. These ones are tricky, so dial in. Look guys, if you ever bowl a tournament with me, I keep it light by making fun of you, and you should make fun of me back. So he missed 2 spares the first game. I'm gonna let him know that he missed a couple spares. So focus here, he needs his 10 pin. guys, I'm getting 9 too much now after not striking all day. Ball change time. Alright guys, well after 2 games, I thought I was gonna break the 8-game record. I had 279, 290, I was striking like crazy. Tony had 190, 240, 200 over, and all pins decided to keep standing. So we ran into some carry issues now, games 3-4. I shot 2-teen, 2-0. I don't have a 3-bagger now through 2 games after missing twice for the first 2 games. So gotta make some adjustments here, figure out how to get my ball back through the pins. So let's get it. Guys, someone said, help, I want a double. Just 1 double right now. Hey, good shot. No, I didn't, but that was cool.
Ring 10 messenger, finally.
Our first double in like 3 games. Alright guys, we don't know how to strike and the lanes are getting tricky, so that's not a great combo, but we got 3 games left, so we'll just dial in, make it happen. We're about 180 over? 180 over after 5, after being 220 over after 2, so they got tricky for us quick, but never say never, right? Let's get it. I did. Okay. Don't worry. I got you. It's about right. It's about right. Why would we start with a double? Why?
I love it when they kick me when I'm down.
Ball change number 6. Please be the one. Please be the one. So I'm trying to do the math in my head. So you get 1 strike, 1, then you get a 2nd strike.
Call it double.
2 back-to-backs, double. I got a double.
How many doubles are you gonna have this game?
That might be the only one, let's be honest. But I'm doing good so far.
And I'm doing good too, because I'm clean for 4.
Well, you know, you haven't thrown in any like real makeables yet, that's why. Kevin makes one little jokey joke about getting a double and immediately wraps the 7-pin after. Karma is for real. Two doubles in 1 game, I've got it figured out. Alright guys, game 8. I'm gonna throw a 3-bagger just for you guys, because I haven't done it literally since game 2. I'm just looking for a 3-bagger right now. I haven't had one since game 2. I just want one. Just one. Come on, 3-bagger. I'm whooping you, by the way.
Same.
By 1. Oh, that's on 7 pins here. Like, pretty high.